Would you like to know how to get the biggest results from your videos? Hi, I'm Paula Ram, and I help direct sellers grow their businesses without leaving home. Have you ever been frustrated when you put all this work into doing a nice product demo video and you post it on Facebook or you put it on YouTube and it gets crickets? You just get like 1 or 2 views and just 1 or 2 likes or something like that. And it's very discouraging because you put a lot of work into your video. So how do you get the best results, the most results from your videos? Okay, it's as easy, and it's just following the system will get you tons more results. Okay, first of all, many people start their videos using Facebook Live, and that is great because Facebook will they prefer Facebook Lives, and they'll show your video to more people. Okay, so you can start there, or you could start with a recorded video if you're not comfortable with Facebook Live. Now, if you do a recorded video, be sure to upload it directly to Facebook. Don't put it on YouTube first and then post the YouTube link. And the reason for this is that Facebook doesn't own YouTube. They're protecting their own interests. They want you to stay on Facebook and not go elsewhere. So they want you to stay right there with Facebook. So they're not going to show YouTube videos to very many of your followers. So that is kind of a waste that way. You want to directly upload your video to Facebook. And if it's been a Facebook Live, then of course it's already there. If you've done it through Facebook Live, now download it onto your desktop. Download that video. Okay, so now that's on your computer. Once it is downloaded, now you can upload it to YouTube. And if you've recorded it, you can put that on your computer as well, or upload it to YouTube directly from your phone. So now you have it on YouTube. If it's on YouTube, be sure to use good keywords, because YouTube is a search engine where people are searching on answers or solutions to the problem that your product can solve. Okay, so be sure you put those words, those search words, in your description. There's a place to actually put words that people are searching on. And be sure to include the link to your website. I can't tell you how many times I've forgotten to do that. Put the link to a video, forget to put the link to my website. So that doesn't help very much. Okay, so keywords, so it's searchable, and your link. Okay, so now it's on Facebook, and now your video is also on YouTube, okay? All right, after that, from YouTube, you can pin it directly to Pinterest. Pinterest has that feature where they will just post your video from YouTube right onto Pinterest. So that is a great way to get on another site with the same video. Okay, and you can also do this for Instagram or other social media. Then, if you have a blog, you can make a blog post out of your video. That's less you have to write. You can just do a quick intro or outro and put your video, and now it is on your blog out there on the internet. And then finally, you can email that video. You can email the video link directly to YouTube or to your blog post and get it out to your subscribers. So now you've spent time only doing one video, and you've got it out multiple places and getting multiple use out of it and getting many more people to see your video for the work you did. So I hope this helps. Be sure to ask any questions if you have any questions about any of this. I'll see you guys next time.